The time now is check your weather on the fours here with meteorologist Thomas Skiboy. How are we shaping up for the weekend so far here, Thomas?
Well, Brian, as we move into the weekend, changes are going to be on the way. We'll see some changes tomorrow, and then we'll really see some changes by the end of the weekend. We'll be talking about all of that, and we'll talk about it in some of your headlines as well, where today we get hazy sunshine, not looking at the best air quality along the Wasatch Front. It's going to be a windy day, and that will increase the risk for some fire weather. And we'll also be talking about that. The storm potential today, maybe in the southern half of the state. By tomorrow, scattered thunderstorms possible everywhere. And then as we move into next week, a big cool down is on the way. And it's very fitting since we start the fall season next Wednesday. But let's start off with this current view in Deer Valley, where that's absolutely beautiful. You got the twinkling stars above. You're starting to get a little bit of light over the horizon. But when you look at the light, you can tell that there's a little bit of haze. And because of that haze, air quality not going to be the best for most in northern Utah today. It's going to be moderate air quality, but for Davis County, Salt Lake County, and also into Utah County, unhealthy for sensitive groups this afternoon. Keep that in mind if you have any outdoor plans. Now let's talk about the bigger picture, because when we expand the view, there's a high pressure sitting to our south, a low pressure sitting to our southwest. This low pressure will start working its way to the northeast, and we're also watching a system coming in from the Pacific Northwest. So for today and tomorrow, our weather is going to be influenced by this southwesterly flow and this low pressure. By the end of the weekend, we'll have that trough working its way in, but you can see with those southerly winds, moisture is already moving in. But because of those southerly winds, and they're expected to increase today, in the central half of the state, there's an elevated fire risk, and in southwestern Wyoming and just west of Ely, there's also a red flag warning that will go into effect around midday today. So keep that in mind. Even if you're in the elevated fire risk, you're going to want to avoid any burning for today, as conditions will be favorable for fires. We'll go with a daytime high of 86 degrees in Salt Lake City, so temperatures continue to run above average. 83 degrees in Cedar City, 96 in St. George. But by the second half of the day, clouds will be increasing, and then later this afternoon into tonight, an isolated shower or storm can't be ruled out in the southwest desert, and you'll see that here on the Futurecast. Stop this at 8 o'clock, where you'll see those clouds increasing in the southern half of the state as that moisture continues to surge northward. And by tomorrow morning, scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to be a possibility across most of Utah, where we're going to keep that chance of showers and thunderstorms from the morning into the afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms, they're mainly going to favor the higher elevations, but showers and storms will also be a possibility in the lower terrain in some of those valleys. Again, we're going to keep that chance for showers and thunderstorms from the afternoon into the evening. By tomorrow night, most of that moisture will start to move away to the east, and then our focus will become on the next system that'll be arriving late Sunday into Monday. But maybe you're going to the national parks this upcoming weekend. Keep in mind, at Bryce and Zion later today, an isolated shower can't be ruled out, so we'll be watching those slot canyons later on. But showers and thunderstorms a possibility at most of the parks for your Saturday before we get a relatively dry day heading into your Sunday. And then once we move into Sunday, that system is going to be working its way in, and much cooler temperatures will be on the way. And you'll see that reflected in the 7-day forecast, where St. George 96 today, 92 tomorrow. Isolated thunderstorms possible from late tonight into tomorrow morning. Dry skies for your Sunday, and temperatures dropping into the 80s for daytime highs for your Monday and Tuesday. Along the Wasatch Front, temperatures in the middle 80s for today. Scattered thunderstorms a possibility for your Saturday. So if you have any outdoor plans, you're going to want to make sure that you keep the rain gear handy and keep an eye on the sky. And then we'll see the temperatures really cooling off in your Monday, as daytime highs will be dropping into the 60s. So quite a big change of pace on the way for your Monday and for your Tuesday.